Hey guys, so Doggy is moving. We already broke support. Like we basically broke all-time highs, right? My position, I'm basically holding forever. I did sell a little bit. I sold about half the position because I do want to be liquid for tomorrow. I want to be liquid for tomorrow when AMC and GameStop open back up. I will be buying back my AMC. I'll be buying back my AMC options and probably GameStop options as well. I want to gauge to see what the market looks like tomorrow, what the limited positions are that Robinhood is releasing. But just letting you guys know, I did sell, not half, I sold about 370. So I sold about $8,800 worth of Doggy because I did want to be liquid for tomorrow when AMC and GameStop open up. But everything that's in here, I'm going to keep it in here 100%. This is basically, everybody already knows. I love DogeCoin. You know, I know it's pronounced Doge, but I hate saying fucking Doge. So please stop fucking commenting that I'm saying it wrong. I know I am. I like the way that Doggy sounds better. But this is the position that I'm leaving in here forever. I'm never selling this 100%. You know, and I'll constantly be updating on Doggy because I fucking love Doggy, right? But yeah, I'm never selling this position. I'm gonna keep holding. This shit is still gonna go to the fucking moon, man. I fucking love DogeCoin.